Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to see about pubsub in Google Cloud. So I'm going to publish a message. Okay, I'm going to say good morning and Bomani. Okay, so just a greeting. I'm pushing into. So once you do this, so our service activator is already actively looking into our message channel. So you can see the channel is already overridden by the input channel, whatever we given. So that's what we are getting. So now let us hit this. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to visit all the previous videos. Also please subscribe to my channel. Do share with your friends, share the knowledge. Without further ado, we'll go to the video. So if you go to Google Cloud platform, so you can see under big data, see here you can see pubsub. So here it is. Okay, so we can go to this one, pubsub, and the first step we have to do is we have to create a topic. So the topics are nothing but the place where the messages will be published. Okay, so we have to create a topic first. So let's say I'm going to create pubsub demo. Okay, so this is my topic name, so I'm going to create it. So it is created. Okay, so you can see I can publish a message, and I can also view which are available inside this topic. So next thing is the subscription. So subscription you have to create for your particular topic which you're going to subscribe. So I'm going to create a subscription. So this is where we will subscribe to our message. So let's say pubsub demo subscription. Okay, fine. So if you look at here, we have to select our topic. So this is our topic. The pubsub demo is our topic. So if you have multiple topics, those will get listed here. So I'm going to select this, and I'm just going to leave all the other stuff as it is going to be the default for only testing purpose. I'm just going to create it. So this is what the first step what we have to create now, like do as part of this project. Okay, it's still processing. So until this process, I'll show you that the flow chart, how we're going to design the the project. So if you look at here, this is what the GCP is. We have created the topic, and we have the subscription as created as well. So this subscription is on top of this topic. So in this case, our topic is pubsub demo, and this one is pubsub demo subscription. Okay, so we're gonna whenever there is a message pushed into this topic, we're gonna subscribe with pubsub demo subscription. Okay, to subscribe it in our Spring Boot project, so what we need is a pubsub template. This template is provided by the dependency from GCP starter pubsub. So there is a dependency available, so that we can download. So let's see. Yeah, it's created. So if you look at here, so we have this subscription created. So this is what the topic it is, and the subscription name is. Okay, so you can see here. So now without further ado, we'll create a project, and we can come to the flowchart. So we're gonna I'll just download the project, and we'll start the Maven dependency download as well, so that I can explain the flowchart. Okay, we'll go to start.spring.io. So we need two dependencies as of to develop this project. So I'm gonna still AnbuZ pubsub demo. Okay, demo project for GCP pubsub. Okay, pubsub. Fine. So that's what it is. I'm just going to create a Java 8 project. I'm going to add a dependency of pubsub. Okay, so which is available inside this GCP messaging. Okay, just a simple messaging. So I'm going to use that, and we want to use Spring integration as well for the messaging to integrate it. Okay. So these are the two dependencies we need. So I'll just generate it. So I think it got downloaded. We'll go to this particular folder. Let's refresh. Yeah, there it is. So let me extract all to my user folder. Okay, so here it is. Let me put it here, extract. Oh, there is already a file name pubsub demo. So let me close this and see what it is. Okay, so let me, this is the test project I've created. So I'll just rename it, and I'll go here and then extract again. So I'm just going to tell this pubsub demo, and I'll go here and select this project, this folder, particular folder, and extract it. Okay, so there you go. So it got extracted. So we're going to import this into our Eclipse. So I'll go here, import existing Maven project, browse. I'm going to select it from here. Okay, that's selected. Let's give finish. So here it is downloading the Maven dependency, you can see. So now we'll go here. So this pubsub template is provided by the GCP dependency what we have. Okay, that simplifies our work in handling the credentials in to create the pubsub template. So this credentials, what we have to do is either we can encrypt it and put it inside our app.properties, or we can download our security the account JSON, the key file, and put it in the environment file. Okay, so I'll show you where I've dropped the environment file so that you can find it useful. So here you can see, so I have put my JSON file, the security account file here, and then I just mapped it to Google application credentials. So this will be in turn referred to this referred by the project. So it will make use of the credentials which are provided inside that JSON. Okay, so now, so we have the template, so with the credentials. So this template, it can access the GCP, like whatever the stuff it is, like it's there, and whatever it can access the pubsub as well. Okay, so now we have to create an inbound channel adapter. So what it does is, like, this one will receive all the GCP messages which are put inside the topic, and whichever can be subscribed by the subscription of ours. Okay, so this pubsub inbound channel adapter is also provided by the dependency of GCP, which we are including. Okay, so now the project is imported. So again, so here, so once the adapter is ready, the adapter should output the messages into some channel. So that's what we are going to create, a message channel, so in which it's going to put all the messages. Okay, so once the message channel has the message, it has to show us, right? So what is the message it has? So we are creating a service activator on top of this channel. Okay, it will frequently check the message channel. If there is any message pushed inside this channel, then it will show into like whatever, like either the HTML or the sysout. So whatever we are doing. Okay, I hope this diagram is useful for you. I will move now into, so if you have any questions on this diagram, you can comment, then I can respond to your questions. So I'll move into Eclipse now. So we'll just start this application. So we just have a file, so which is for to start the Spring Boot application. Okay, so now everything is done. So let's start the application and see whether it is working fine. And let's see. Okay, it's creating. Okay, it will take some time for the first time. Okay, so it's starting. Okay, so it is saying that it is not able to find this project file. Okay, so I'm going to change this reference. So I have that file downloaded already. So if you don't know like where to download this particular file, you can go ahead and refer my previous videos on how to connect to Firebase, with Spring Boot. So in that I have given all the stuff you need. Okay, so I'm just going to paste it here. So this is our credential file. So I'm just going to take this properties. Okay, so it needs a credential, right? So I just copy this and update into our environment file. So let me go to environment variables. Okay, and go to environment variables and update this. So by this way it will get the, so I to show you, I just pasted it here. You can have it anywhere in your machine. Okay, so I'm just going to clear the log and start it again. Okay, so it should start fine now. Okay, there you go. Oh, something happened, or okay, I'll just build the project. Okay, everything is done. I'll just build it again. Build. Okay, okay, so it might take some time. I'll just update it here. So meanwhile, now it's done. So now we don't have any error, right? So we can go ahead and create our application. Okay, so we don't have any error, so we can proceed further. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a controller now. So like what I'm gonna do is, like, once we hit the controller, so we'll get that in the browser rather than displaying it here in the console. Okay, so I'll create a package, new package, dot pubsub demo dot controller. Okay, so this is going to hold my controller class. Come on, yeah, there you go. Pubsub controller, pubsub demo controller. Okay, so that's done. So I'm just going to annotate this with REST controller. Okay, so we don't have the dependency for web. Okay, let me add it. Let me pull it from our demo. It's the dependency details. It's for web. Okay, Ctrl Z, copy, and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, it's done, it's building. So we can go ahead to the controller. We can add the REST controller now. What happened? Okay, so now we got, now the project has built. Okay, so now we're gonna have an endpoint which says get mapping of get message. Okay, I'm gonna say public string get message. Okay, I'm gonna return. Okay, that's fine, that's good. So we'll start it again. Okay, the application is running now, so I'll just read the URL and check it's working. Localhost 8080/get message. There you go, we got the controller working. So now I'm gonna create our inbound channel. So in this diagram you can see we need this inbound channel adapter, so which takes two parameters. One is pubsub template and the message channel. Okay, so we're gonna create public message adapter. Okay, which is gonna take two parameters. I'll explain that, but it's gonna return us pubsub inbound channel adapter. Okay, so we're gonna create a pubsub adapter. So pubsub inbound adapter is adapter. Let me declare a name, adapter equal to new pubsub channel adapter. So which accept two parameters. So one is our template. So this is what the subscriber operation is, what the template. Okay, and another is our subscription name. So subscription name you can take it from here. Your subscription is here, you can take this name. Okay, I actually misspelled it here, so I think I just misspelled. That's fine. So you can update it properly in your when you're trying this. Okay, so we also need the pubsub template, so that's one parameter. So I'm going to create pubsub template. Okay, which is going to be our template. Okay, and it also need one more parameter, which is the channel, the message channel, what we have here, the message channel. So you can we have to create that particular channel ourselves, so it also has its own channel, but we cannot access that, so we're going to write the message channel. Okay, message channel of input channel. Okay, fine. So there you go. So it's gonna return adapter. Fine. So let us create our own message channel. Message channel of input channel. Okay. So it's gonna just return new direct channel. Okay, this direct channel is mostly used for this kind of the point-to-point connection messaging. Okay, return new direct. So I'm going to make it as a bean. Okay, method bean, so I can access this. Okay, I can access this. No, I want this particular channel to be accessed here, so that I can have a service activator over this particular channel and check the messages. So I'm just going to have a qualifier of this. Okay, fine. So let us make this also as a bean, because this is also has to be created. Okay, so now we're going to have a service activator, so which is going to look into this particular input channel and check for the messages. Okay, so let me create a service adapter, service activator. Okay, so which is going to accept a input channel. Our input channel is our input channel, whatever we have here. Okay, this channel is going to be the input channel for the service activator. Okay, public void. Okay, receive. Message. Okay, string payload. So this is what the message will get. Okay, so let me create a variable here. Yes, string message. So I'm going to display this particular message whenever we call the API. Let's see, this dot message equal to payload. All right, we are done with the coding. This is what is needed to be to display. Okay, I'll say message from GCP. Okay, so this is going to be displayed whenever we call the get message. I think it's running. Let's okay, it's completed. Still have it. Okay, I think we have to restart the application. Let me restart. Yeah, we don't have the dev tools, right? So that's why it is not refreshing. So I'm always looking into it, like why it's not like reloading again. So we need to have output channel. Okay, yeah. So here, if you look at our pubsub channel adapter, it does not say under which channel it has to output the messages. So in the adapter, we can say set output channel of our input channel. Okay, so whatever is output of this adapter, so output of this adapter is nothing but the messages which are getting subscribed by this adapter. Okay, it is going to subscribe this subscription. So the output, we're going to put it inside our message channel, so which is nothing but our input channel. Okay, so this input channel are being monitored by the service activator, so which will put the message over here. Okay, that's done. So once the message is received, automatically it will be acknowledged and it will be removed from the topic. So either you can also manually set the acknowledgement type here, set acknowledgement mode. So you can set the mode, you can take the mode from a mode, this constant, and you can set manual, auto, or whatever you want. So as of now I'm just leaving it, so it will be auto. Okay, let me save it. Let me start the application now. So it should work fine now. Yep, it is started. So let me go here and hit this. Okay, so as of now this is null. We don't have any message. So to test this, I'm gonna create a simple message inside this pubsub demo. So I'm gonna publish a message. Okay, I'm gonna say good morning and Bomani. Okay, so just a greeting. I'm pushing into. So once you do this, so our service activator is already actively looking into our message channel. So you can see the channel is already overridden by the input channel, whatever we given. So that's what we are getting. So now let us hit this. So here we go, we got the message from GCP. It is good morning and so that's what we pushed into our topic. So now you can go and see, you can view the messages that you have have in the queue. So if it is not acknowledged, that will be here in the queue. Okay, so if it is acknowledged, if it is already received by the subscriber, then those messages will not be here in the queue in this topic. Okay, so this is what about pubsub. So how we are subscribing to the topic, so inside a Google Cloud platform. If you have any doubts, please post it in the comment. I hope this video is much clear about, like, it is elaborating on how to use the pubsub template and input adapter, the message channel, and the service activator to get the messages from the Google Cloud platform pubsub. Okay, hope this video is useful. Please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and share the knowledge. Thank you.